in at Terrero, a barrio of San Francisco de Malabon, convention master at the State House of Caracas, which the rebels had captured earlier. The station opened at around 2 o'clock in the afternoon with a scene solo at the back of the president of their office, the Lord Gonzales, also in Magsimo. Secretary, Soberino de la Sala, ang magdiwa,
Ulit.
at the convention at the
Sandal pa yan. Ganda pa na sandal mo, no?
whether the government should establish the face of the committee. This resolution is one stated ruling after other until both counties almost come in blow.
Most ko sa
In
inyo.
reference to the seriousness of the situation, and immediately called for us
Hindi na
the
tapos
death
tayo.
of the hostage. After an hour, the second must resume will pass as chairman. To resolve the issue, the students said acceding
Lamo.
to the wish of some that a new government be established to replace Luna. However, they stated the principle that the will of the majority should be respected as obeyed must be followed. The convention adopts this principle and unanimously with this current question resolved as the Republic of the Philippines must proclaim before the election. The pastor of the convention that whoever should be elected to any position should be elected. Before all that was approved, and in the election, got re-elected. Million Alejandro.
Mas parang iba na yung binaba.
Kaya Vice President. Artemio Ricante, Acting General. Emiliano Rio de Leon, Director of War. Andres Bonifacio, Director of the Interior. Radisco Paxio.
Execution nga yun, sir. May pangkas.
Mag-video kayo dalawa.
Pare, this mo yan. Pare, algoritmo rin. So, ang klase ni Sir May na, kitang-kita niyo po. Piyar ko nga rito. Karo ka rito. Sandali ko ulit. Sir, time na.
Ready for long way. Sandalaman tayo. Siyempre lamang Two-faction. Two-faction, sir. Two-faction. Hindi magkasundo.
Yes, sir.
Sama mo Idere. Nasi governo.
Ang ganda ng buhok nito, oh. Kakaiba ka talaga. Ay, kaya talaga, ang ganda ng buhok mo eh, no? Hello.